Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch another one of my videos. In today's video, we are working with the company Celie hair. They were so kind enough to send me out a wig to try. This is everything that they sent me in my package. All right, and here's the wig. They were so kind enough to send me out their 14-inch 16 by 5 pre-cut lace closure wig. It is their glueless wig, so you can install this without glue, which I did it without any glue or any hairspray in this video. Okay, so I did wash this wig when I got it, but of course, as you saw, it does come pre-curled. So if you don't want to do any extra customizing to the wig, you don't have to. You can put it on if you would like. But yeah, I did bleach my knots as well, but I did not pluck this this lace. So the hairline, as you see, is how it came, and it looks really nice. I could have went in and plucked this some, but I decided not to. The texture of this hair is it's the body wave curl, but when you wash it, you do the curl does wash out. So I went in and just added me some more curls to try to not to try to mimic this style, but just to get me some body curls back in the hair. And yeah, y'all, this install was super easy. The hair was soft. I had no issues with tangling or anything like that. The knots bleached really well, so I was happy about that, and it also curled really nicely. So yeah, I love this wig. Very cute, very effortless, super cute. This is perfect for the summertime, especially with the lace construction. The construction on this lace, as you saw in the beginning during the unboxing, it's a breathable cap, so you can, you get some air within the wefts of the wig. So yeah, if you're one that doesn't like to wear wigs because you think they're too hot, I would say give this one a try. And yeah, I'm gonna get up out of here, y'all. I do have all of the information and specs for this wig as well as the company in my description box. And yeah, I want to say thank you so much to Celie hair for allowing me to try out this beautiful wig. I really appreciate it. And I'm gonna talk to you guys later on. Y'all enjoy the rest of the video.
Believe you're by yourself. You should be here with me, chilling with me, drinking with me, freaking with me. Oh, 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 oh. I see you looking at me. I can tell by your eyes that you're feeling me, and I really want you to get close to me. So would you dance with me? Dance with me. My drop tops in the parking lot. And I'm gonna take you back to the spot, but we still got a little more time to run. So looking at me. I can tell by your eyes that you're feeling me. And